This house combines an artist's studio with residential space for occasional use as a weekend home. The 1,500 square meter site is located in Peñalolén, a suburban area of Santiago, Chile, with low construction density and surrounded by undeveloped plots. This condition leaves the building exposed to its surroundings, but with certain limitations on the exposure of the interior spaces, ensuring privacy. Additionally, the building was designed with the potential to be transformed into a fully residential home in the future, allowing for new uses and the possibility of expansion. The design by Planmaestro Arquitectos achieved interior privacy by limiting and directing views to and from the exterior. This was done by organizing solid and void volumes along the perimeter, placing strategic openings to allow specific views. The house is divided into 3 zones. To the east, there are 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The central room is a social area that includes a living room, dining room, kitchen, and entry hall. This space opens up to a covered terrace to the north. The working studio in the 3rd zone connects to the central room and the terrace, and is also linked to a covered service yard with a sink, intended for working with wet materials. The house is formed by solid volumes and openings, organized between the floor and ceiling. The solid volumes house furniture and closets, while the openings, with large floor-to-ceiling windows recessed from the facade, offer views to the exterior and create covered outdoor areas. In the central space, the ceiling is higher, allowing natural light to enter through a long ribbon window. The future transformation for exclusively residential use considers the following changes. The studio will be converted into a dining room, connected to a larger kitchen located in the current service yard. The central room will be used as a larger living room. Finally, an expansion to the east will add a master bedroom with a bathroom and another bedroom. The construction system consists of concrete foundations, a steel frame structure, and light steel internal walls. A ventilated facade of vertical wooden slats was used for the exterior perimeter. Using the same material for all external walls reinforces the perception of solid volumes interrupted by voids. The ventilated facade also helps with the thermal control of the interior spaces.